took forever.
Troubletron, it's you.
And who the heck is this kid?
It's me, Vector. That's who.
One thing that only Vector would know.
The fun police suck and tried to take down the show.
Holy smokes, it's you! I thought the series was dead.
Well, hold on to your pixels, cause we're full steam ahead.
Woohoo! Cinders and ashes, it's great to be back with a fresh coat of paint and my friends back on track.
I can't wait to get back to protecting the rails, dismantling evil, and all that entails.
Well, my scan is detected, and that's a lucky day, because I sent something big. I think we're in trouble, and when hang on, it's all the black, and they gotta make us Scrapatron.
Unigaladeca Mega Scrapatron?
That's what I said, it's just microphone on.
OPThomas Prime, it's been quite a while. I see you've returned from your lengthy exile. Bubbling boilers, I didn't expect that. This new mech is controlled by Sir Bertram T. Hat. Who else do you think sent those monsters to beat you? I spent my whole fortune to break and defeat you. But why would you do that? And what would you gain? Why, I'm ridding this island of sentient trains. They seemed like an awesome idea at first, but emotional hardware is really the word.
Holy crap!
Okay, now I'm steamed, metaphorically speaking. Let's try that again, before I start leaking.
Looks like we're in for one big conflict. And go ahead, Vector, engage transforming mode.
You're clearly defeated, and yet you persist. Behold my 600-ton steam-powered fist. Where past villains have failed, I will succeed. Now suck on this laser. It's time to concede.
Someone has scattered all village, beat and combine them again to build a new Mega Kitten.
He's stronger than every bad guy put together. We need to combine and be bigger than ever.
We're red and green and brown and blue. That mech is no match for the real.
Really useful clue.
stop working together, you all think you're clever? I'm still in charge here, now and forever.
He talks pretty, though, but he's really a clown.
Oh, it's not Omega. Let's just make that.
Oh, come on.
Why do you keep taking this road?
Our friends from systemic oppression.
It was leave the island and for the bed houses.
What should we do now that peace is restored?
We rebuild the city.
Leave no evil ignored.